4 aftermarket Ridgid batteries. They claim to be 3 amp hours. We're going to do some tests on them. Spoiler alert, they're not. Alright, so here's the first one. We're going to pop it into this work light. As you can see, it's fully charged. And I'm going to open that right up. Get a timer in here. And we'll see how long that's going to last for. And well, there was a big fail. Didn't even make 50 seconds. Okay, here's the second one. I'll try and keep the battery whoops. Well, that one lasted the longest. Now, just to show that it's not an issue, here's a really old beat up battery. It's not an issue with the light. In this case, the light will go for quite some time. Okay, well, I'm going to stop it here because that already shows that the light itself is fine and it does power fine. And in fact, this old battery will power this light for, I believe it's like an hour and a half-ish. But yeah, that just shows that it's not the light and it is the battery packs. Okay, so now we're going to charge it and just see if the cells are going to get hot at all. You can see it's about 17.7. Okay, for this setup now, we're going to do the constant current discharge with the full battery pack. 2 amps, we're going to watch the voltage, and we'll time it and calculate the current, or the capacity.